Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to add horizontal geometry point labels to a profile. So on my screen I have a profile view, I have a profile here and I have an alignment here. So alignment geometry point means where the alignment geometry changes and significant locations in the alignment. So like start of alignment, end of alignment entity and curve center, edges of the curves like that. They are the critical locations. Apart from that, we have reverse curve locations, compound curve locations, tangent spiral intersections likewise. Now we are going to look at how to add these horizontal geometry points onto our profile view. This is important when you are designing the profile because sometimes we need to coordinate the horizontal geometry with the vertical geometry. So that is kind of a thing or theoretical perspective in terms of highway engineering. Now to add this horizontal geometry points to this profile, I select the profile, then right click, go to edit labels, then on the type, I go to horizontal geometry points and I'm selecting a style. I can select a style, but in here only one style is available, but still you can customize if you want it. And then add here, and it is asking what are the geometry points you need to ask in, you need to enter in the labels. So these are the labels I talked about little bit earlier. So alignment beginning, alignment end, tangent, tangent intersection, curve midpoint likewise. If you want to remove any of these in geometry points, you can uncheck these labels. Otherwise, you can make them turn on fully. If you want to turn on all these options at once, you can click this one, turn off, click this one. So I'm going to turn on everything here and I click OK, and I am going to click OK again. Now this style is added at to the bottom here. Now I click OK. So you can see now these geometry points are attached to our profile. If you zoom in, this is your beginning point. This is the point tangent curve. That means this point 16.71, this point. So likewise, we have all this curve midpoint. Likewise, we have all the horizontal geometry points projected into this profile. So that is how to get the alignment geometry points onto the profile in Civil 3D.